Welcome back, you beauties. Hope everyone's doing good. This is the mod we're installing today. I already installed it, but kind of want to uninstall it and make a video, so we'll do that. See how she fits. So if you'd like to know, stay tuned. Little crooked. It's okay. Sturdy. Beauty. Let's install this. Woo. All right. First thing you want to do, remove your 4 6mm bolts here. I've already done the other 3. Save you guys a hassle. Okay. These babies are all removed. What's in the kit? Let's have a look. Got your 2 longer bolts with washers, and then your 2 shorter bolts. You got your washer, then you got your spacer. The shorter ones go in the back, and they'll go spacer first, and then these go through the back, which I'll show you, but just so you guys understand. Alright, let's get started. This is the rack I chose here. I like it because it has the grab handles here. Most of these aren't 100% straight, but it's all good. I like them and they're pretty good. I have a little bit of gray anti-seize. Oh yeah, it's everywhere already. Stuff's nasty. I'm sure that wasn't where the bolt holes are. This gray anti-seize stuff is disgusting. It gets on everything, so use it wisely. All right. The front ones first. So it goes bolt, washer. Beautiful. Perfect. Those are started. We have the back ones here, so pull this guy out. So, Six millimeter. Just put a snug. Snug. I think this one's going a little more. Oh, it's not good. Feels good. Snug up, feels good. Snug up, feels good. This one's got a little bit of a gap here, so it's alright. We'll just have to keep snugging it up, I guess. That's good enough right there. Throw all our tools down. Okay. Like always, thanks for watching. It's even got space between the fender and the bar, so that's nice. It's a little bit off, but you don't really notice it. I think it looks pretty good. Sturdy. Cool. I'll post a link in the description of where I bought it. It might be on sale.